Welcome to the Paw Supply, where you can find the latest inspirational moments and something more heart-opening for your loving pets. During spring and summertime, your dog's skin allergies are extremely common and can cause itchiness, dryness, redness, and flakiness. The fur in a dog's coat can trap allergens close to the skin when they are ingested during grooming or absorbed directly into the skin. The pads of a dog's paws are also exposed to allergens on the ground that are easily absorbed. So today, we'll be counting the 9 reasons why your dog suffers skin allergies. We have some interesting content for you, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel The Paw Supply for more informative videos. Just one click on the bell icon and stay with us. Now let's begin with the 9 reasons why your dog suffers skin allergies. Number 1. Skin allergy caused by flea. Flea saliva enters the body and can cause an allergic response which irritates your pet's skin, causing them to itch profusely. Pets suffering from a severe parasite allergy experience symptoms of inflamed red skin, will often scratch, and dogs may chew at their own fur to relieve the itching. In extreme conditions, their fur can fall out in patches. Flea are tiny parasites that can survive in our carpets and bedding, which is why it's so important to vacuum regularly, wash your pet's bed, and make sure they're up to date with their preventative treatments to kill off any bugs. The cure of flea allergy is not difficult. Well, sensibly, you should eliminate the fleas first with a good spot-on or pill-based treatment like Capstar or Revolution. Spot-on should be given on a schedule to prevent future infestations. If flea dermatitis becomes severe enough, it can even cause secondary infections, including Candida, yeast, and Staphylococcus aureus. Oral antibiotics and antifungals are the best treatments for topical flea allergy. Number 2. Skin allergy caused by ringworm. Ringworm, despite its name, is not a worm, but a fungus that is highly contagious to other animals and humans. In dogs, 70% of ringworm cases are caused by the fungus Microsporum canis, 20% are caused by the fungus Microsporum gypsum, and just 10% are caused by Trichophyton mentagrophytes. The fungus grows and lives in the outermost layer of skin and the hair follicles of infected dogs, and occasionally in the nails. The fungal infection appears as circular, crusty, bald patches and is often found on a dog's head, paws, ears, and front legs. Your dog's skin can also appear inflamed and red from where they have irritated the area from scratching. You must contact your vet straight away if you spot any signs of irritation, who can prescribe a topical treatment to kill the fungus and prevent it from spreading. Dogs who spend time around livestock and other outdoor animals have a much higher risk of contracting ringworm. That's because the fungus loves an environment containing moisture, mud, wooded, and dead or decaying plant matter in the soil. In fact, ringworm often lives in the soil until your dog digs in it, transferring the fungus to his skin. Ask your pharmacist to help you find the right treatment for this type of dog's skin allergy. Number 3. Dangerous mane dog. Ever hear the term mangy dog in popular culture? What this refers to is a skin condition called mange. Mange is a skin condition caused by mites that affect many animals. In dogs, it is caused by 3 microscopic mites: Chelatella, Demodex, or Sarcoptes. Each one causes a different type of mange, with each presenting similar yet varying degrees of symptoms. Because mange treatments vary by type and severity, it is essential to take your dog to a veterinarian if you suspect that he has mange. Your veterinarian will perform a physical exam, take samples of the mange, prescribe medications, and administer treatments. The mange is very rare in domestic dogs who live most of their lives indoors. It's far more common in outdoor dogs, strays, and dogs who spend a lot of time in communal spaces. Mange is highly contagious upon contact. Treating it isn't easy either. Your dog will need long-term medicated therapy to restore his skin to a healthy status. Number 4. Food allergies. Outside of direct skin infections and conditions like flea dermatitis, food allergies in dogs are the #1 cause of allergic reactions affecting the skin. Dogs are incredibly sensitive creatures, and nearly all react to at least one commercially available kibble or canned food in their lifetime. It may be a result of the fact that dogs aren't designed to eat kibble naturally, or it may be due to failures to maintain quality in the dog food industry. What we do know is that certain ingredients are much more likely to trigger your dog's skin allergies than others. Nearly 34% of all dogs suffer from beef allergies affecting their skin. This is remarkably high. It's no wonder so many dogs experience the itches. Truthfully, treating your dog's skin allergies that are triggered by food ingredients can be time-consuming, expensive, and difficult. If you can afford it, allergy testing is a good logical first step. There, your vet can test your dog to see which ingredients he reacts to. If nothing else, it's good. Number 5. Environmental allergies. It's possible for your dog to be allergic to environmental influences too, including grass, hay, pollen, and trees. Some dogs are even allergic to other dogs, laundry soaps, perfumes, other pets, or dust and mildew in the air. It can be heart-wrenching to watch your dog suffer from just running on the very grass he loves to play in so much. But the good news here is that environmental issues are relatively easy to treat. The easiest way to eliminate environmental allergy triggers that bother your dog's skin is to eliminate the trigger. That's easy if it happens to be a laundry soap or bottle of perfume, but you can't exactly eliminate the great outdoors. And just not walking your dog because he's allergic to grass? Not an option either. In cases like these, the better option is often to medicate with oral antihistamines. Given once a day in a non-drowsy form, they can curb your dog's skin allergies to the point where they can once again be their happy, normal selves. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Paw Supply channel and click on the bell icon to be notified every time we post more amazing videos. Number 6. Skin allergy by dandruff. Like humans, dogs can get dandruff or scruff and dry skin. This can be a sign of an underlying problem like a skin infection. Some dogs are prone to having dry skin, particularly in winter, and it may be affected by their diet. High-quality sources of protein, omega-3, and 6 fatty acids can all help keep the coat healthy. Simple cases of dandruff are normally easy to treat with shampoos, but the vet will want to check that there's nothing serious underlying. Number 7. Impetigo lesions. Puppies are more prone to impetigo, which may also indicate an underlying skin condition. As with all conditions in young animals, expert treatment is recommended as soon as you suspect something is wrong. Impetigo lesions can appear on the dog's stomach as blisters, which can burst and scab over. Dogs can be treated for impetigo with antibiotics or washers, and your vet can run a few tests to diagnose the existing problem. Treating your puppy for impetigo usually consists of shampoos, creams, and antibiotics. In severe cases, or if your pup has an underlying disorder that caused the impetigo, further medication or treatment may be needed. Many different medicated shampoos can be used for this condition, but your veterinarian should be able to tell you which is the best one for your dog. Some choices are benzoyl, peroxidide, ethyl lactate, and chlorhexidine. You will be instructed how often to use the shampoo, but it is usually once or twice a week for a month. Number 8. Hair follicles due to folliculitis. Folliculitis means inflamed hair follicles and often occurs when your dog is experiencing another skin problem, such as mange or an allergy, as the hair follicles become infected by the underlying skin condition. It appears on the body in sores, bumps, and scabs all over the skin. Folliculitis in dogs, however, requires the use of both topical and systemic products. Besides, if your dog is long-haired, a veterinarian may recommend shaving hair off the infected area. In long-haired dog breeds, due to hair covering, you may not observe initial symptoms. In this case, look out for excessive scratching and peeling or matted hair. Treatment for folliculitis in dogs must continue until full recovery. Besides, if your veterinarian prescribes antibiotics, make sure to finish the entire treatment so that the infection does not return. Number 9. Yeast infections. Yeast infections in dogs are fungal infections that can affect the urinary tract, mouth, or skin, especially the skin on the ears, paws, armpits, and around the skin folds or wrinkles. The ears are parts of the dog's bodies that most often show signs of yeast infections. Fungal yeasts exist in and on dogs' bodies naturally, and usually aren't a problem. However, many things can cause an overgrowth of yeast, including medical conditions, exposure to medications, or weakened immune systems. Many factors can cause fungal yeasts, which occur normally in and on dogs' bodies, to overgrow and lead to yeast infections in dogs. This can happen to dogs of any age, breed, or sex, though some breeds are predisposed to yeast infections. Treatment for yeast infections in dogs depends on many factors, including the location of the infection, the severity, the type of yeast, and any underlying causes that may lead to yeast overgrowth. So, these were the 9 reasons why your dog suffers from skin allergies. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Paw Supply squad and be a part of the channel. Thanks for watching.